Alright, if you could tell, I'm back at the Grafton Lime Kilns. I know in the New Champions channel, he came out here and recorded this. It had the fencing around it, but now I see they actually started to work on it. They're restoring it. I wonder if they're going to end up putting fence all around it permanently, like they did in Milwaukee Falls, so you can't get to it. That first video I did of this, actually I think that was the second or third video I did for this channel, didn't have any fencing around it. Wish I could find a picture of this thing, or a sketch or something, when this was actually somehow attached to that. Wonder if this was for like a conveyor. If any of you guys know that, please put it down in the comments. But just want to give you an update on this now. They're restoring it. Alright, so I'm down here on the back road. There's the lime kilns up there, you could see. Remember, I wondered what that structure was on the back of it. And over here, there's a platform, a pad, cement pad. And then we got this over here by the river. Man, is this thing really flowing. So I guess that was some type of, looks like maybe a conveyor belt, I guess. There's some geese right there. Yep, that must have came right through here. Sorry for the zooming in and out. Turned out to be a really nice day. Okay, I'm still at Lime Kiln. Wanted to see what this was. So there's a street light there. This area in Lime Kiln Park is dedicated to the memory of Robert P. Zahn, by Grafton Lions Club, 1975. Let's see what we have over here. Lime kiln dam removal. Milwaukee Fish Passage Program. There was a lime kiln dam here. So this was the dam, huh? Know your fish.